Hello guys, my name is Alina and I'm one of the PT expert trainer at PT Tutorial Services Group. In this video, we are going to discuss about the PT Academic online exams. It is the shorter PT Academic test which can be taken by the students who want to give their exams remotely from home. The basic similarity between PT Academic current exams and the PT Academic online new exams is in terms of content and difficulty level. At the same time, the differences are there in terms of time duration, number of questions, and the score report. Now onwards, from 16th of November, the score report will not highlight the skills, that is precisely enabling skills in the score report. Yet, the government is not accepting the PT Academic online exams for the visa application. Registration of the test of PT Academic Online will start from 25th of October, and the first slot of the particular PT Academic Online exam is from 16th of November. And the test time duration will be of approximately 2 hours, and the current test time duration is of approximately 3 hours. Scheduling of the exams is possible before even 24 hours of the exams, and the result will be published to the students within just 48 hours. The major changes are in terms of time duration. In the current exams, the time duration is approximately 77 minutes for speaking and writing. That is the very first part of the exams. Now it is going to be of 54 minutes only. Reading previously was of 32 minutes and now it is going to be of 29 minutes. Listening as well, in the PT Academic, it was just 45 minutes, whereas in the new PT Academic online exams, it is going to be of approximately 30 minutes. The entire PT Academic online exams is now going to be of approximately just 2 hours, and the break will not be provided to the students. There are changes in the number of questions as well because there is reduction in the time duration. There are going to be less number of questions for describe image, read lecture, and answer short question in the speaking section, whereas in summarized written text for the writing section. In reading section, the MCQ single and multiple, the low weighted task has less number of questions. And in the listening as well, the number of questions has been reduced for summarized spoken text, MCQ multiple, highlight correct summary, MCQ single, and select missing words. And that is how the overall test duration would be of approximately 2 hours. This is the exact score report which will be provided to the students from November 16th onwards, and the validity will remain the same, that is for exactly 2 hours. But at the same time, the enabling scores will not be provided to the students. The enabling skills were fluency, pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, spelling, and written discourse. At the same time, there is change in the name of the title as well. That is going to be now onwards as PT Academic Online Exams. These exams can be freely taken by the students by having some of the requirements. That is, in terms of registration, just ID is required. But for giving the exams, there is requirement of computer. At the same time, the internet connection, webcam, and headset. Students can register freely for these exams, and the basic difference between the current exams, which is PT Academic, and the new exams, which is going to be published, that is PT Academic online exams, the differences are in terms of test center. The students do have to visit the test center for giving the current exams, but the student can also give the online exams from anywhere. ID proof is required. At the same time, along with the ID proof in PT Academic online exams, computer, webcam, good internet connection, and the headset is also required. Not only that, the current exams is of 3 hours, but now onwards, the time duration will be of just 2 hours. The break time has been removed in the new version of the test. This particular test is yet not accepted by the government as of now, but the PT Academic current exams is definitely accepted by the government for the migration and visa purposes. All right. This is how the working is going on right now for the PT Academic online exams. If you are really preparing for the PT exams, definitely you should try to visit PT Tutorials website, wherein we have free sample questions for all this particular task, all the 5 tasks of speaking, all the 2 tasks of writing, all the 5 tasks of reading, and all the 8 tasks of listening section. At the same time, we are also providing group coaching, which is of 40 days of coaching with the live interactive session with the trainer. And from Monday to Friday, you will have the flexible timings, e-booklets, which will help you to refer it as the theoretical informations. Not only that, the 5 score tests will be provided to you along with the score report, so you can just analyze your scores. The video recording of the classes will be provided to you so that you can refer it even after the class duration. You will have the opportunity as well to connect to the trainer even after the class timings. The feedback assessment also will be provided to you. Thank you so much.